got here in Davie now. We're doing another project here. We're doing tile and the pool finish. Come with us, come see it. So we're going to be installing pebble tile. Just so you know, whenever you're going to hire a contractor, and especially for this type of tile, hire somebody who knows what they're doing, because the preparation is different. And this type of material, you guys can see, is a screen and the pebbles are way heavier. So if you don't put the correct type of material to glue into the wall, it's going to fall. And it's very easy for these stones to fall away from the screen as well. Stay cool, call Master Pool, we got you. So we're going to be putting these into the water line over here. And we're also going to be installing over here in the spa wall. But we still have some more preparation to do it. Stay tuned for you guys to see it. Guys, so now the pool is ready. We just finished the tile, we finished the diamond bright. It looks beautiful, it looks amazing. Customer is happy and the job was done in about 7-10 days. Less than 10 days. And we're very happy of how efficient we are. So you guys can have a better life and you guys can enjoy your pool renovation before you even think about it. Stay cool, call Master Pool, we got solutions for you.